Bissell PowerFresh Steam Mop is packed with a variety of special features. First, it has a built-in Smart Set steam control, which gives you the option to choose among low, medium, or high steam. The Smart Set steam control indicator light will stop blinking when your PowerFresh Steam Mop is ready to use. Then you can press the steam level button to choose the level of steam you want. Second, your steam mop comes with a removable water tank. The water tank is located on top of the unit and can be refilled with water anytime during use. It is important to make sure you do not use chemicals in the water tank of your steam mop. The use of other solutions may cause breakdown of the gasket and/or other parts of the machine. Third, it comes with two different types of pads. The white microfiber pad is best for everyday use on delicate flooring like sealed hardwoods and laminate. The gray and white stripe pad can be used for scrubbing heavily soiled floors and cleaning tougher messes. The microfiber pads are also machine washable and safe for virtually all hard floor surfaces. Some units may come with fragrance discs that you can place in the mesh pocket in your mop pad. You can use the whole disc for a refreshing scent or cut in half for a lighter scent. And finally, the removable Easy Scrubber helps you quickly clean sticky messes by pressing your foot on the tool to lock it into position. It is also great for cleaning grout on tile.